Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this cute little braid. So let's get started. First, wait, man.
How many views have you got?
I don't think.
How many what? Views.
So make sure that,
Because she just posted her first video.
yeah, make sure that your hair is brushed. Okay. Then all up under it, make sure you brush it too. Now, stop. Now you're going to braid this. But when you braid, you should braid down. You gotta braid up.
Trying to get it set to where. Okay. Is it even looking at us? Yeah.
Okay.
It's just on her hair.
And then put a hair tie around this. Wait, dang it. You need to make sure that there's a little opening part up here too. So when you try to braid it, do that all there. I don't understand that. What You're still shaking.
Oh no, it's because I was shaking my legs.
Okay. After you have that, make sure that there's a little hole. Do this. It's kind of cute. That isn't how it was before. But then it looks different, way different. Okay. So then after you do that, you go make sure.
This is a horrible quality video. You're not posting this one, are you?
And there you go. Have a cute little braid.
Was I supposed to stop it?
No. Okay, thanks for watching.